الشباب اللي بيصير تخلف الربع.
Huge Israeli military forces with bulldozers invaded Khalat al-Dabi', which is community we are in now, and they start destroying homes after forcing families to leave their homes, taking them out, children, women, men, taking their properties out of their homes and then destroying a home after another. Caves underground have been destroyed, sheep shelters, almost no structure left in the community, just maybe 2 or 3 left, and the demolition is continuing even in the moment we are talking. About 120 people living in this small village, and around 50 structure that they had for the sheep and for homes to live in, and the school, caves, and almost everything is destroyed. Just a few left, as we said. Since October 7th, Israeli army with the settlers established 3 illegal outposts around this community, and now erasing this village to create more and more Israeli illegal settlements in the area.
نرحل، احنا بدنا نموت كان